If you've been on a website like Zillow or Trulia, you've seen it before. What is it? Bad pictures. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can avoid having bad pictures when you put your home on the market right after this. Hi, this is Camille Haynes, licensed real estate agent in the northern New Jersey area. I want to thank you again for taking a couple moments out of your day to watch this video. If you like what you see, I'm going to ask you in return, take a look at my channel and make sure you subscribe. I look forward to giving you a lot of great content, resources, and information for home buyers and sellers in the northern New Jersey area. So let's get to it. We've all been there before, looking online at Zillow and Trulia, and you know the difference between a beautiful home that's going to move quickly and one that's not, and it can all come down to the pictures. So let's talk about a few helpful tips on how you can save yourself some marketing time by making sure you have good pictures. Number one, it is 2020. At this time, your agent should have a budget for a professional photographer. This can save you so much marketing time, and there is such a significant amount of difference between having a professional photographer who can come through and make your house look beautiful and stand out, as opposed to just taking pictures off of the iPhone. Number two, your home is not staged. If you're actively looking to buy a home and you've walked into a model home and it takes your breath away, that is on purpose. There is that professionals behind the scene that make sure that that house is shown in the best light, and that is through professional staging. So why not go ahead and use the same resources that a lot of the experts are using? Speak to your real estate agent about hiring a stager to make sure that your property is shown in the best light possible. Studies have shown that a professional stager not only reduces the number of days on market, but also puts more money in your pocket. So there's nothing but benefits when hiring a professional stager. Number three, which ties into number one a little bit, which is using a cheap camera or your smartphone. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm actually filming my video right now on my iPhone. So I am a big fan of today's current technology. But when it comes to the most valuable and important asset probably you will ever have in your lifetime, wouldn't you want to go ahead and take that extra step to make sure that your house is shown the best way possible? So once again, it ties into number one with hiring a professional stager and not using a cheap camera or a smartphone to market to thousands of prospective buyers out there. You have your agent go ahead and hire a professional photographer for you. Number four, as I'm actually filming this video, there's a massive amount of snow outside. So it's important for you to know that photos are season specific. Of course, you cannot avoid if a major snowfall hits and you have no other option but to take the pictures with the snow in front of the property. But there's nothing better and cleaner looking than having green grass, blue sky, as your backdrop to your house. Home buyers prefer to view homes in this manner. So if the opportunity presents itself, make sure you have your photo shoot with the beautiful sky as the backdrop, the green grass, and just nice natural light. If this is not available, these days there are so many tricks to the trade that you can actually hire a photo editor to edit the way the sky looks as well as the grass. So if that is the worst case scenario, make sure you spend a couple dollars towards doing that. Number five, too much stuff. There is nothing worse than a prospective home buyer looking at your home online and all they see is stuff. So it is imperative that you go ahead and focus on the 3 Ds. That is decorate, declutter, and depersonalize before placing your home on the market. Take some time to remove any personal items and make it more neutral to a prospective buyer who can envision themselves in the home. also decorated in a nice neutral decor. You think more crate and barrel, pottery barn type of aesthetic that still resonates with a lot of buyers today. And then declutter. Remove all your unnecessary items. You're going to be moving anyway, right? So you might as well get a head start and start packing before you go ahead and place the home on the market. And the last thing is when the focus is not on the home, but it's on the art, the collectibles, or the furniture. It's important that you hire somebody who knows how to take pictures that will highlight the benefits and attributes of your home, as opposed to the cool sports collection you might have in your basement. So take some time to pare down on some of those things that might be a distraction to any prospective buyer, and really focus on highlighting the features and benefits of your home. I once again would love to hear from you. If you have any other suggestions or thoughts on how you can have a great photo shoot for your home sale, I would love to hear them in the comment section below. Once again, I want to thank you for taking some time to watch this video. I hope it's been a benefit to you. And until next time, have a great day.